In today's video, I'll show you how to stop sharing messages between your iPhone and iPad. If you want to keep your messages separate for privacy or organization, this tutorial is for you, so let's get started. First, let's understand how message sharing works. If you have iMessage enabled on both devices and they're signed in with the same Apple ID, your message will sync across both devices. But don't worry, it's easy to change this. Start by unlocking your iPhone and tapping on the Settings app. Scroll down and select Messages. This is where you'll find all the settings related to your messaging app. Now grab your iPad, open the Settings app and scroll down to the Messages. Here you can toggle off iMessage if you don't want to receive any messages on your iPad. This will completely stop message sharing. Now next thing is, if you want to keep iMessage active but still prevent syncing, you can sign out of Apple ID on your iPad. Go to Settings, tap on your name, scroll down and tap on Sign Out. This will separate your iPad from your iPhone's messaging. And that's it, you've successfully stopped sharing messages between your iPhone and iPad.